should add a spiritual screening because that's also their right.
It's part already, Elder. This is actually the blessings that we have right now because of the advent of Universal Health Program.
Okay.
PhilHealth, Philippine Health Insurance Company, is now accrediting our hospital for all this mental health. That's why anything, even divorce or anything about mental, it is already approved by Region 11. So very fortunate that we have that.
So think about including in your admission process. I don't know. In the United States, it's called the personal health history.
Yes,
question.
Part of it already.
Part of the personal health history should be a way for you to identify spiritual needs that trigger specialized chaplaincy interactions. Guys over there, the CPE guys in the back, I think anything to add to this? Go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah, there is also what we call in the materials that we have that from JCT, what is that? The charting for the chaplains that you can actually include. That part of the chart, for example, the medical chart, there is also a spiritual chart. To my participants in the clinical pastoral education, we have that chart to be reported in every time that they have visited. In other words, there must be a basis before you go to the patient. You have at least have a glimpse of what are their needs based on the chart.
The reason why I bring this attention to this group now, because if it happens in our hospitals now, then our chaplains is allowed to see in that particular part only to open the charts. That's the case. Because charts are very secret, records. So in as much as we have that, then you can see. That's why we need the medical staff to really get involved. And I think about 80% already agreeing to it.